So, here is the next part of our video. Now, I have disassembled the whole stuff, and now we really can see that there are three parts that we need to work on. We have here the Tesla coil, we have the kicker coil, and we have the Wagnerian hammer here. And as you see, there is one thing coming from the line going directly into the coil. And from this coil, it fires this little tank. And the other input is, there is the opposite of this tank. This is this part here, which is connected to the neutral and also is connected to the Tesla coil. So these are the three parts that we are working on when we try to renovate this device. Okay, let's continue. Now, one of the biggest problems is to find a capacitor that has the right size for our device here. I took this small one. I know there are smaller ones, but this one should work for our purpose. So, to ensure that it stays where we need it to stay, I'll also do some taping around this little guy. There we are. So this is pretty okay. Now we will continue with our repair. And as you can see here, I connected the capacitor to the incoming from the hammer and to the outcoming connection, which is going to the handle. Now let me put some solder on it. No, nothing there at the moment, hidden somewhere, don't know where. Okay, we leave it like this, we can solder later. So, now in questions of the hammer. As you see here, the two ugly yellow cables are coming in and I disconnect them. Now I try to get them out. They are really ugly. Yeah. Okay. And now I'm bringing in my cable. That is the next step. So now I'm ready for the next step. As you can see, I have brought in the cable here, my new cable, but first I wanted to solder the two pieces here. Got a new solder tin, and now we'll use that if I can open it somehow, somewhere. No, it won't open. Yeah, pretty complicated. Some brutality, and things are working. And so let's go here. First, some solder here on the connection to the Tesla coil. Yeah, looks good. please be aware that some of the wires may be isolated. So see that the soldering tin is going everywhere where you need a connection. So this is ready. Good. Now let's get back to the Wagnerian hammer. So I think we need two connections here. The first connection I am getting to the neutral. I just do this like this. This is not optically brilliant and fully satisfying, but I think this will work. If I put some solder on it again, so this should be a good connection here. Yeah, there we go. That's good. Okay. Now for the next part. This is a little bit more complicated because we have first, I think, to remove this thing here, and then now kind of the same operation. You see, I connect this to this wire that is going into the Tesla coil here. Now you see it, and now I put some solder on it again. So that is good. Now I need my bolt here, and I need I think it's kind of plastics or bakelite, don't know exactly what, but now I need to pull that a little bit, to push that a little bit in, so that it stays like this. And after this operation, I think I can reassemble that stuff. What is important? If you do the reassembly, check that the parts of the hammer are over each other. This is a little bit difficult. Oh, this is difficult. How do I get this? Something like here, I think. Yeah. I'll try it this way. Yeah. I need the regulator somewhere else. I need the regulator here. Yeah. So here we are. Okay. Yeah. So, okay. This one we get. And here. So, we are doing this to where does the bolt need to be? I think here. Yeah. Okay. do it this way. So here we are. Okay. Okay, let's see. Everything is assembled. The parts here are getting contact. That is cool. Now we are preparing for finalizing the stuff. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So, okay. This was it so far. Now we need a little. And now we are going for the testing. So, I am using my step up, step down transformer, which has an output for 110 volt. So, and now I'm trying to fire this device, and as you can see, I get it working. So, thank you for your attention and my best regards to all of you. Have a nice Easter Monday.